Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video on how to whisk. Today, let's dive straight into one of the most popular natural aids out there, green tea for weight loss. I'll cover the real benefits backed by science, how to use it effectively, and the potential side effects you need to watch for. Green tea isn't a magic fat burner, but it does have compounds that can support your efforts modestly. The key players are catechins, especially EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, and a bit of natural caffeine. Together, they can boost your metabolism slightly, increase fat oxidation, how your body breaks down fat for energy, and enhance calorie burn, particularly when combined with exercise. Studies show this combo can raise energy expenditure and help oxidize more fat, both at rest and during activity. Some research finds small reductions in body weight, BMI, waist circumference, and visceral fat over weeks or months, often around 1 to 3 pounds or a centimeter or two off the waist in trials lasting 12 weeks. It's more noticeable in certain groups, like when paired with a calorie-controlled diet or workouts, and effects seem a bit stronger in some Asian populations or with higher doses. But overall, meta-analyses describe the impact as small and not always clinically huge. Think supportive boost, not dramatic transformation. For best results, aim for 2 to 4 cups of brewed green tea per day. That's about 200 to 400 milligrams of catechins from quality leaves. Brew it properly. Use water around 80 degrees Celsius, not boiling, to preserve those catechins. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Drink it plain, no sugar or milk to keep calories zero. Timing matters too. Many find it helpful first thing in the morning to kickstart metabolism, or 30 to 60 minutes before exercise to amp up fat burning during your session. Between meals can help curb minor hunger pangs and support steady energy without crashes. Matcha is a great option if you want more concentrated benefits. Since you consume the whole leaf, you get higher EGCG levels per serving. Now, side effects. Green tea is safe for most in moderate amounts, but the caffeine, 20 to 50 milligrams per cup, can cause jitteriness, insomnia, or headaches if you're sensitive or drink too much. On an empty stomach, it might lead to nausea or upset stomach. High-dose extracts, not regular brewed tea, carry a rare risk of liver issues, so stick to the drink form unless advised by a doctor. If you're pregnant, have iron deficiency, or take certain meds, check with your healthcare provider first. Caffeine and catechins can interact. Bottom line, green tea is a healthy, low-risk addition that can give your weight loss journey a gentle nudge through better fat metabolism and slight calorie burn. Pair it with consistent diet, exercise, and sleep for real progress. If you're trying this, drop a comment below. How many cups are you aiming for? Like and subscribe for more practical tips. See you in the next one.